Hey, it's Brian here from Altest, and I wanted to tell you about a customer project that we're currently finishing up. Right here is a custom-built walk-in chamber. This is about a 700 cubic foot chamber. It's capable of minus 40 C to 80 C with about 1 C a minute ramp rate. And over here are two rebuilt Thermotron 25 horsepower compressors. This whole system, right, upgraded controller, right, designed, brand new box, custom door. This machine pack with the two 25 horsepower compressors is piped into an outdoor condenser, which will also be fully checked, tested, and we're happy to say that it's going to be shipping over to the customer shortly. So if you have any custom built chamber requirements between minus 70 to 170 C, Altest Instruments is the right place for your project. Reach out, click the link below, email or text. Our team is standing by and happy to help.